Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Fred's image or video upload error on your iPhone. Let's get started. Secure internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can stop upload. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, check your iPhone storage. Go to settings on your phone, then tap on general. After that, iPhone storage. If your storage is full, delete some unused apps, photos or files. Low storage can prevent uploads from completing. Next, close and reopen the Threads app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Find Threads and close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again and try uploading your media. After that, restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary glitches that may block uploads. Turn off your iPhone, wait about 30 seconds and turn back on. Next, update the Threads app. Open the App Store, search for Threads and tap update if available. Updates often fix bugs that cause image or video upload errors. And that's it. This steps would fix Threads image or video upload error on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.